Oh my God. For some reason, I keep hearing the voice of Corporate Jones. Don't panic, Mr. Mannering, don't panic. But that's easier said than done. You know, when you've got the news be broadcasting doom and gloom and all that kind of stuff, it's very difficult not to panic. It's very difficult when we here have got customers coming off the system, dropping off because they're having to make really tough decisions. You know, we've got people that host events, we've got people that support weddings and things like that that have had things just cancel on them, and they're often having to offer deposit refunds and whatnot. I'm sure they can get support from the government. I'm sure that there's all sorts of things out there, but right at this moment in time, I don't think anybody knows what to do or what is even going off. It's difficult. It's so hard not knowing when you're faced with these things. People want their monies back now. I've been quiet over this particular issue because I've been busy. It's our mission to make business digital. That's kind of like our saying in the office, and it has been for a while. Let's help people make business digital. And some people, or most people that we're speaking to, are saying, do you know what, marketing is really important right now, and it's something that we're going to focus on and concentrate on, because we can't let this, what we've worked on, disappear, go, or pass on. And I completely agree. Some are increasing their budget spend with us, which is good and kind of like makes sense right now, because, you know, there's going to be people with a lot of time on their hands that are going to be checking out social media and consuming that information. But as I said before, there's a few of them that are taking decisions to pause or cancel their advertising budgets, locking themselves away and cancelling bookings. And I think that that's like a real sort of scary thing to do, because when you think about disappearing or altogether from the public eye, and the true impact of, if something does happen, if a family member or you have to self-isolate, it's a matter of weeks. You know what I mean? So I just want people to sort of like not have this knee-jerk reaction, and stay strong and stay safe first of all, but don't disappear. You know, it really genuinely breaks my heart when I'm hearing these stories and I'm speaking to people where they're saying that they've been impacted, and we are doing whatever we can to help businesses stay front of mind and in front of people's eyesight, and keeping. We're running a 6-week program with our clients, or we will be running a 6-week program on making sure that your business is digital, making sure that you're able to sort of stay front of mind, top of mind all the time, so that when we do, there's no if about it, when we do come out of all this, we're in a really, or the people that we're working with are in a really good position, because they don't have to start again. They're not they chose to stay on board and to hit the ground running when everything is back to normal. So for me, it's important that you keep your supply chain running. It's important that, you know, your services keep moving, that you find a means to meet with people. And I think stuff like this simple video talking about what plans it is that you're doing to facilitate people's needs is really, really important. Okay, so wherever you can, get yourselves out there on video. Now is the time to take digital seriously. Okay, this is my plea to businesses out there, and to communicate in this real simple manner so that people are at least kept up to date. Okay, a little more resilience is what I'm calling for, really. There are businesses out there, much like ours as well, that's probably a little bit more resilient to these kind of issues, that can offer support and help. I'm calling on my friends and calling on my people within my industry, and for other businesses that are a little bit more resilient, to help those that aren't. Okay, what we're doing is we are giving away like a free month of our service to help get people on their feet, to help them communicate digitally. So if that's something that you're interested in, look, please feel free to get on board. We've created a dashboard for consultants. We've turned our dashboard that we serve our own customers with And we're giving that away free for a month as well to consultants out there. That so if they can't go out and meet clients, they can at least have this experience, this two-way meeting experience, and trial it for free. If you don't already know and you are already a client, that dashboard is available to everybody on our system for 3 months for free, okay? This isn't something that we was planning on launching until the summertime, but it's not sexy, it's not polished, but it's ready to go. It's ready to serve a purpose and it's ready to serve a need. So what we've done is we've pulled the launch forward by 3 months, and we've literally said, look, it's ready to go. There's no landing page, no website explaining what it is that we do. We'll walk you through that, guys, and sort of hopefully it could be of service to you. So look, the only way to come out of this on top is to innovate, all right? And we feel that that's what we're doing. It's a massive core belief in how we operate, in what we do. Just innovate your way out of this and try and find ways, much like restaurants are delivering food. You know, how are they taking them orders? How is that happening? You know, all that kind of stuff. Try and innovate your way out of this blip is what it is, okay? And let's see if we can't stay safe, stay strong, and listen, if there's anything that I can do as a business to help other businesses, let me know. As I say, we're offering our service for free for a month to get you a little bit closer to this whole issue ending, and you know, if anybody's interested in our consultation dashboard as well, which is free and ready for launch, just give me a ring, drop me a message. We're kind of here to help. Thank you. Stay safe. Bye-bye.